Yeah, you guessed it. We've got a flat tyre on our wheelbarrow, so it's time to get this sorted out. And this is how you do it. First of all, we'll attack the nut and take this off. And we'll go ahead and we'll take this wheel onto a workbench and get the tyre off. So the tools you'll need is a wrench, a socket and 2 long screwdrivers, and also a puncture repair kit. Now, to remove the tyre, we need to put the first screwdriver in and the second, and work our way around. Like so. So now that the inner tube is out, it's a job of finding out what punctured the tyre. So go around the centre of the tyre, all around the edge, and find what's gone through. And straight away here, I can see it's a little thorn and I can feel it on the other side. So this is what we need to take out. So we find what's caused it and we just take it out. Now it's just a case of grabbing the inner tube, filling a bowl of water. Now we can just connect the pump back to the inner tube, put it into the water and see if we can see any bubbles coming up. And there you go, we found it. And there's the bubbles. So now we take our kit and we want to mark where the bubble is. Now you do get chalk and wax, so wax is no good. Chalk will do it. And there you go. Now if we take this over the table, we'll show you how to fix it. So we need to deflate the inner tube again. Just press this button. We'll scuff up the area. And apply some glue. So you put the glue on and then let it go tacky. Peel off the foil. And stick down. Okay, so we've let it dry, had a cup of tea. Let's move this out of the way and get the tyre back. Now it's just a case of putting the inner tube back in. Now always make sure this is clear and go through this a good few times to make sure there's nothing else stuck in the way. And then it's a case of popping the inner tube back in. And make sure the valve lines up. Again, same as taking it off. Be careful not to pinch the inner tube, so. And just work your way around. And now the easy bit, we just pop the tyre back on. As always guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.